My name is DeLisle. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at S2A Modular, bringing you another Modular Minute. So many of you have been following along on this McKinsey report that we've been talking about, and today we're on number 4, consolidation. But these are 9 factors in construction disruption where they talk about the next normal, and they reference obviously modular construction as a big component. Well, number 4, consolidation means that there's a growing need in the marketplace for specialization and investments in innovation. So many of you are techie like me and you like to follow innovation. Well, innovation doesn't always mean tech, it means you're constantly reinventing new solutions in the company. So, just a couple of quick examples, and we're a young company, just opening our first plant right now. And as you do this, you think about materials, digitalization, technology, facilities, even human resources, all things that are important for for the operations to run smooth and to actually meet demand, right? So a lot of factors in there. But let's just talk about like materials. We're constantly innovating our formula. So we have a formula now with our organic building materials where they're fire reflective, termite proof, they don't mold. So you start thinking about that and you're like, wow, that solves a lot of problems, right? And you think about like technology and facilities. We have a mobile app that controls all the different devices within the home and sort of consolidates that. And we're working on improving that all the time, and it takes a lot of work. We have our virtual home builder coming out. That's a brand new function where, 2018, about 20% of the marketplace was buying online. Well, now it's almost 70% and even higher in some areas where people are buying homes sight unseen. So we're creating a virtual home builder that we've invested heavily in. But we believe that a lot of people, like cars, are going to start buying homes sight unseen. They want to take a tour, they want to create a price sheet. They might fly out somewhere for a touch and feel of something similar, but it doesn't mean they have to, go out and see the exact home that they want to buy. So just a couple of quick examples. And again, you can read more in the report. The link is below. And as we get through this, I just want you to understand innovation is key and modular is the next normal. So from all of us here at S2A Modular, look forward to seeing you real soon, maybe at a factory tour or maybe on one of your projects or even on a Zoom call. So stay safe out there and we'll see you soon. Take care.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy, smart homes, and how you can become involved as an investor. Click the link below to register. See you there.